Hi everyone, my name is Ronnie and I'm excited to introduce myself as an aspiring language tutor with Polish speaker. I'm actually a bilingual English-Korean educator and I hold TOPIK Level 5, the advanced level of the Korean proficiency exam. That certificate didn't come easy though. I experienced failing the TOPIK exam, grinding, never give up, crying over it, eventually passed level 3 at first, then took another exam and passed level 5, which is equivalent to C1, C2 proficiency. I spent 4 years of my life in Korea, 1 year attending formal schooling in a language school, 2 years of master's degree in Korea, and 1 year of internship. I've been immersed not just with the language, with the culture, and with the mindset of Korean people. About my teaching, when it comes to my teaching style, I focus on three things. One, building real speaking confidence, not just passing quizzes, which I feel it's very much important. The second one, I want to emphasize not relying on romanization, mastering the alphabet based on experience and my failures. That's the best way to really learn Korean language and prepare for EPS or TOPIK exam and become confident speaker. Lastly, I always emphasize not just to study by mind, although it's important, but equally important is to study the Korean language by body. That is to speak more, to listen more, to look more, to feel more, to smell more Korean. In this way, our Korean mouth muscle will be exercised more, ear muscle will exercise more, the eye muscle will exercise more. Uh, when I realized that one, my Korean flew at a very fast pace. I used to rely on romanization so much, which in my case caused more damage than help. So those things I hope that I can also teach the student of Polish speaker. I teach the way I wish I had been taught, patient, structured, and genuinely encouraging because I remember exactly the feeling of failing TOPIK exam, crying over it, and eventually passing. Outside of that one, I became teacher also of philosophy after I graduate in college. Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy, magna cum laude. I had 2 years of teaching that philosophy course. And then after passing Korea, after my graduation in Korea, from every day I am also using the language, translating, teaching, becoming a tutor, and now as online tutor. This one. 지금부터 한국어로 하겠습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 소두스타론이라고 합니다. 필리핀 사람이고요. 한국 능력 시험 5급을 보유하고 있고 한국에서 석사 과정을 마쳤습니다. 한 4년 동안 살면서 한국어뿐만 아니라 한국 문화와 정서도 많이 배웠습니다. 지금도 매일 한국어를 사용하고 있고 한국어를 가르치는 것을 워낙 진짜 정말 좋아합니다. 사람들과 이야기하고 도움을 드리는 것을 워낙 좋아해서 앞으로도 한국어를 활용할 수 있는 일을 계속 하고 싶습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. 감사합니다.